Plaintiff Jasmine Porter says she's known the defendant for 14 years because her mom dates his brother. Jasmine claims after she bought a car from the defendant, he hit on her, but she rejected his advances. And she's now suing him because he repossessed the vehicle. Defendant Elbert Trailer insists he never hit on Jasmine, and she's nothing but a troublemaker who's been in jail several times for fighting. Elbert admits that he repossessed Jasmine's car, but that's because she failed to pay it off, so he doesn't owe her for anything.
Start with you.
Yes, sir. Elbert Trailer, y'all probably know him as Elsie. He's wanted to have a sexual relationship with me. I turned him down.
Where do you know him from?
Your Honor?
Where do you know him from?
I know him. My mom dates his brother. And
Okay.
he's his
How long
older
have you known him?
brother. For almost 13, 14 years. My mom been dating his brother.
And what has your association been like? Would you see him often over the 13 years, passing by, or?
Yeah, when he comes by, mainly when he comes to harass his brother about car payment.
All right.
His car payment he gets from him.
Got it. All right, go right ahead.
Every
Continue.
week.
You say he hit on you? You started out talking about
Yes,
that.
but he wanted sexual relationships from me. I turned him down.
When?
Your Honor, that's not
It was
true.
in maybe in
All
the
right,
middle,
I'll let you defend it.
maybe like off in the middle of November. I had
And this is
received
the
a
first
text.
time he had hit on you?
Yes.
All right. Why do you think he waited 13 years?
I known him for 13 years. I just stayed with my mom now for almost 4 years.
Okay, so all 4 of those years, what age were you?
I was maybe 20, 21.
20 to 24.
Mhm.
He would come by every week.
Yeah, or his brother would meet
And would
out
he-
to him.
Pardon?
Or his brother would meet him, or some cases.
No, I'm
he come
talking
to the
about
house.
you seeing him in the household.
In the household.
Wherever you saw him for 4 years. You say he came by every week. You obviously knew he was there because you telling me now.
Okay, maybe-
So where would you be? Would you see him when he came there? Anywhere? Would you see him on the street? On the porch?
Maybe, and most likely the time it would be in the house. He'd come by the house.
Okay, so almost every week for 4 years, he'd come by the house.
Yes, sir.
That
So
ain't
why do
true.
you think it took him 4 years after seeing you every week to hit on you? He never showed any signs of that before?
No,
All right, so tell me about November. How did he do it in November? How did it just happen?
he sent it through a text. It was, I want you,
How did he get your phone number?
through from me buying this car from him.
Okay, let me get some background from you, sir.
Your Honor, this is Jasmine Porter. She's a troublemaker. This lady have 6 kids by 7 or 8 baby daddies. I don't know. Your Honor,
I only got
Your Honor.
You understand? I got 6 kids, but how I have 7 or 8
Mathis,
baby daddies.
I don't know how she got me confused with them baby daddies, but I ain't never approached her. Jasmine been fired off 4 or 5 different jobs for arguing, fussing, and fighting. I have
a
helped my
lie.
brother, got out of jail 3 or 4 times for arguing, fussing, and fighting with employees.
Who has?
Who?
Jasmine have got fired off 5 different jobs, arguing with the employees.
Only
Me and my brother
3
have
jobs
went
in my
down
life.
there and bailed her
That's
out.
what I'm from.
And
How
she
many
have
times?
not 3 or 4 times.
You bailed her out?
We bailed her out of jail.
Is
Got
that
made
true?
bond.
He never, all of my buns I have
Have you been in jail 3 or 4 times? Let's just start
3 or 4
there.
times? Yes.
Pardon?
Yes.
For what?
For either for.
Stop sticking your neck out like that
It's
when you
even
talk
for-
to me. I'm not him.
It's
I'm not all these other people you deal with. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now tell me how many
It's
times
either
you've been to
for-
jail.
Maybe 4 or 5 times.
For
I've been
what?
to jail. Probably for either assault or,
Assault,
yeah, most like on my assault or traffic ticket.
everything dealing with temperament.
Judge
sounds
Mathis,
like. Mhm.
she took a vehicle and tried to run over one of her baby daddy's girlfriends,
Never.
and I had to bail her out on this
No.
case. And this case is in court right now that you tried to run over the girl, your baby daddy girlfriend with my vehicle. Your Honor, this is Jasmine Porter. She's a troublemaker. This lady have 6 kids by 7 or 8 baby daddies. I don't know, Your Honor, I don't know how she got me confused with them baby daddies, but I ain't never approached her. Jasmine been fired off 4 or 5 different jobs for arguing, fussing, and fighting.
Plaintiff Jasmine Porter bought a car from the defendant, who claims Jasmine is a troublemaker, and she's been to jail several times for fighting.
All right, and let me hear from you on the car, ma'am.
Okay, I purchased this vehicle from Albert Trader on October 7th of 2015. He wanted $2,000 for the vehicle. I came to him with $1,500. He asked me, said that was fine. I gave him the $1,500. Never a date was never set for it to be paid, but by December or February of 2016. Okay, I additionally made three payments of $100 to him every Friday. I got paid every Friday. And once I could not help pay the payment, my mother also helped me pay the payments for the vehicle. I made those payments, and then it was one payment made of $80. That was my last big check that I had before I got ready to leave to go on maternity.
When was that?
I left and went on maternity leave. It was in November. I left and went on maternity leave. I have a doctor order that he took me on maternity.
November?
Yes.
Right around the time he hit on you?
Yeah.
The same time frame that you all developed this financial dispute. And that's why I was leery of your testimony when you started out, because when there's a financial dispute and someone leads off with he hit on me or she hit on me, that's setting it up, because that's totally aside from what this case is about. So when you start out, Your Honor, he hit on me.
That's not true, Your Honor.
I know, but my point is...
Yes, it is. So why do you work at night?
The coincidence, after seeing you every week for 4 years, he never hit on you until the month you all had a financial dispute. Just sounds like too much of a coincidence to me. Go ahead, you tell me, sir, what's going on
Your
here.
Honor, on October the 20th, this woman got 6 kids. She can't get on the trailer
Heard
with
all
them.
that. Go ahead.
I purchased her, I sold her a truck, Your Honor, for $1,500. I asked $25 for it. I said, Jasmine, you pay me $100 a month on my vehicle until you pay it off. 1 week after that, prior, she lost her job for fighting on the job.
No.
The first month, she offered me some food stamps for my vehicle. I said, Jasmine, I'm gonna help you this month because you don't have my payment.
I went on maternity.
Next month, which was November, she didn't pay me anything. December, I came to her house, told my brother and her mama, tell Jasmine, she gave me food stamps last month. She didn't pay me nothing this month. I come to the house again in January. I said, tell Jasmine, she haven't paid me anything on my truck. I waited till the end of January and went to the police station and explained to them what happened and told them I was finna go repossess my truck because it's been 102 days. He said, sir, you have the right, you have a title and a bill of sale. Go get your vehicle because it seems like she are not interested in paying you. I said, well, I'm on my way to get it. Prior to me going to get my vehicle, she went down there and tried to have me arrested 4 times for my vehicle, from taking it from her. The second time she went down there and tried to have me arrested, she said she left something in my truck. I went and got her mama. I said, come get your daughter stuff out my truck.
Police told you to
out my storage bin.
Said,
I never moved the truck since I got it from her. Come and get all her belongings out my truck because I don't want to touch it. Her mama got Burger King, Taco Bell, Mac, everything else. Everything else, George Mac.
I was responsible
everything
for my
else
stuff.
other than wasn't no money in my truck, wasn't no tablet in my truck. I said, sign this piece of paper. I don't have it today. Sign whatever you got out of my truck and give it to your daughter because your daughter is very money hungry and messy. I don't want to have no more problem with her. She went back down to the police station again and tried to have me arrested for harassment.
I got $4,000.
And the officer told me, do you want to have, I said, ma'am, y'all, she got 6 kids. By 7 different baby daddies. I don't want to have no more problems. I'm losing my job having to come down here and explain myself.
You say she gave you a total of how much money?
She gave me $1,500 and she gave me $45 food stamp.
All right.
So she says that also she has a text that indicates you hit on her. I want to see her text.
If she got it, I'm gonna run out this courtroom.
You'll run out.
If she show you a text that I hit on her, I'm finna run out of here.
Hold on. What? Hold on. What? What?
I don't have the text.
I know you don't. Have a good day.
Was there.
Your claim is dismissed for perjury, and I don't believe anything you say. Have a good day.